Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to check your debit card balance at an ATM in 2025. With all the advancements in banking tech, this process is quicker and safer than ever, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it with confidence. First off, why bother checking your balance? It's a smart way to stay on top of your finances, avoid overdrafts, and plan your spending. Let's get started. Step 1. Find a nearby ATM. In 2025, most ATMs are equipped with enhanced security features like facial recognition or contactless options, but we'll stick to the basics for universality. Make sure the ATM is in a well-lit, safe location to protect your information. Step 2. Insert your debit card into the slot. If your card has a chip, align it properly. Most modern ATMs will guide you. Next, enter your personal identification number or PIN. This is crucial, so cover the keypad with your hand to prevent shoulder surfing. Remember, never share your PIN with anyone. Once you're in, Step 3. Navigate the menu. You'll see options like balance inquiry, account summary, or even voice-assisted features for accessibility. Select the balance option using the touchscreen or buttons. The ATM will process your request quickly. In just a few seconds, your current balance will appear on the screen. Step 4. Review your balance. It might show your available funds, recent transactions, or even alerts for low balances. If you want a record, opt for a printed receipt, but many people now use the on-screen summary and take a photo with their phone for digital convenience. A quick tip for 2025. Some ATMs integrate with banking apps for real-time updates, so if you have mobile banking enabled, you might see personalized options. Always remember to log out properly and take your card to avoid any security risks. And there you have it. That's how you check your debit card balance at an ATM. It's that easy. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your money.